don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans, TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Golden Arrows 1, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Tom Kulu, the best chairman in the country.
Tibos.
Yeah.
Amafans wethu.
Njani chairman?
Top. Ngimnandi. Ngijabulile amapakani yajabulile.
Yeah.
Asibongele nje ezimnyama ngenkani zikaMagebhula ezagebhula umhlaba wamasipala zawubhekisa phezulu.
Injalo.
Ama-Zero Bulls.
Yes.
Bese sithi ke kwezika Mantu. Hard luck bafana besithende bafana bemcibisholo.
Yeah.
Hard luck manqoba mncedi mfana wangasekhaya.
Yeah.
Bohleli nesifundiswa sakho lapha former player yakho ubukapteni ebephinde idlala number 6 esizweni.
Yeah.
uDigashu.
Yeah.
Yeah, behleli namhlanje uDigashu
uphuma Crystal Palace.
uDigashu uphuma kule yansizwa yasekhaya ukukhosha umanqoba mncedi. Ukuze asuka hamba eGrand. Yeah.
Crystal Palace.
Sho ukuthi ke umanqoba mncedi kumele akahlonishwe ngoba amaningi ama players awahambisile kwi-Golden Arrows. As a Golden Arrows it look like is a small team but ngokwemsebenzi yayo it's not a small team.
Producer master.
Yeah. Bese ngibuye ke Tipozi ngibone impact yabadlali. I-Arrows no matter izinto zingakayihambeli kahle but i-pressure yayifaka baba.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, i-pressure yayifaka ukuthi nje uma nqoba mncedi ngicabanga ukuthi mayengakathi ukulungisa lapha nje insika yakhe. Abe nje ne center back ezohlala icontrol umsebenzi.
Yeah.
Bangayi bonke all out because iyona into ezazoqhubeka ibalemazi.
Sure.
Uma ngabe zaya all out. Kodwa ngiphinde ngibuye futhi Tipozi even ama players eArrows abazi ukuthi azolusa. Yeah, mangitshela abantu ukuthi mawudlala nePirates uzeke wazi ukuthi uzodliwa. They take it personally.
Yeah.
Kanti isitrue.
The
Chiefs sayadlala nayo last week. Babehleli bazi abadlali beChiefs ukuthi iPirates izosidla.
Basebazi?
Exactly babazi ukuthi bazodliwa iPirates.
Uyasho nje?
Exactly. Na manje akufuna ukuthi lokho ngikukhulumayo Stibo bengazi ukuthi amelaya. Namanje siya ku final. Already bayazi ukuthi vele bazodliwa iPirates.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Exactly. Yazi why? Because almost ama players wabo akafikanga kulesa standard. So ukuthi kukhona i-cup final akayidlala mhlamba alose.
Yeah.
Azodlala nomuntu osize competition iqalile isizini odlala ama cup final after final.
Yeah.
Final after final.
Yeah.
Ofushima udlala nomuntu onjalo already uyazi ukuthi lo muntu spiritual yonke into yakhe
shaya
up to date.
Yeah.
Konke ezazomethusa uyabona.
Yeah.
Uyawona kona lo mbeso kuthiwa usika macala.
Yeah.
iPirates leyo. That knife othi mayiphethula usika ukuthi yasika ukuthi ubeka ngapha yasika. Yeah, that knife.
All sides.
Uyabona ke namhlanje abadlali sibone abadlali abaningi.
Yeah.
Abaqala starting lineup offish bebehleli belindele le opportunity and bazinikela ibrand bayihlonipha badlala kamnandi. Let me thanks player number 12 of Orlando Pirates Football Club. The supporters, they are always loyal behind Orlando Pirates Football Club. No matter isimo sinjani noba sikweyiphi i-province, but Orlando Pirates player number 12, they are always there to give players support.
Yeah.
Mapagania, thank you very much. Ukuthanda iPirates is mahala for free.
Yeah.
Konke lokho sikwenzayo sikwenza because of uthando leOrlando Pirates Football Club. Masenza kanjalo ke ngisengabona nemibhalo ebeyithi and lambhalo ngithintile. I think umlelo wase Hillcrest branch
Athi
obebhale ukuthi sikhona egroundini njenganabaseki beteam but okubhlungu ifinal amathikithi efinal yasemabhida between Pirates and Chiefs asiwathulanga sinawo and then it's true leyanto yamathikithi is confused sonke most special ama branch we Pirates I'm still asking myself ukuthi ukahle kahle ubani othenga amathikithi bese ithi into isystem ibikade ingafunction kahle isystem yamathikithi ofisha manga isystem ibingasebenzi ngendlela shukuthi amathikithi awaphelanga sisazozwa kuthiwa amathikithi ayathengiswa because you can't say sold out kodwa uba bokhala sisizwe sikhala sithi sine problem yesystem yamathikithi nesystem very very low kodwa kungaka ukuthi uqhamusa ukuthi hayi amathikithi sold out shukuthi somehow kube khona iscan esikhona lapho let's be patient, let's wait maybe PSL Nedbank and two teams Orlando Pirates Football Club and Kaizer Chiefs Football Club plus Moses Mabhida Stadium, they are coming with something new because we as Orlando Pirates supporters, more special branches, were always travel to watch and support Orlando Pirates Football Club. Can you imagine you miss such final like this? This is a closure, bruh. Nedbank is a closure in the PSL. That is the last game.
That's true.
And then good we last game ye final ye Nedbank. Thula Tutuchwaka wehlulekile ukuba se stadium because of system eyenzekile ithikithi akabanga nalo. Yeah, that's a real painful. Nginabo abomle kule nkulumo ukuthi ama branch amaningi almost national wide Orlando Pirates Football Club including Kaizer Chiefs branches they are crying if all of us were crying kanti the real truth is ubani othole amathikithi ayiphi kanti lamathikithi let's wait and see maybe there's a changes ezoqhamuka ekhulunywe kangcono ngamathikithi King Vuti udlale kakhulu Tibosi just into kumele ayilungise dribbling for unnecessary akumele athanda ukudribble kakhulu because ngelinye ilanga yomcosta ama injury angekapheli 1 2 3 faka nje ushukela nyana uvula amehlo space ubeka ibhola emntwini sidle net yonto siyifunayo umlandeli we football club ujabula uma kukorwa amagoli ama spice nenye into imele ivele after iscore sesimnandi angimbongele uMabaso ongene wakwazi ukuthi athole igoli ofisha into ahlele eyifisa as a striker ngiphinde futhi ngimbongele uMaswanganye okuyena osivulele inet because naye I think since isimo sakhe ngathi besifuna ukushona phansi kancane lela goli lizomkhuthaza ukuthi kubolo Tito esimazi yeah of which makunjalo ke kubaleke kakhulu ukuthi abadlali bonke abanikezwa iopportunity iOrlando Pirates Football Club bayisebenzise mabezosebenzisa kanje basinikeza ithemba ukuthi even next season siyokhala mhlamba abanye babo mabengadedelwa iteam because even next season the Pirates isanamidlalo eplenty. There's a many games okusamali Pirates idlale. Remember siya qualify ukuba siphindele kwi Champions League. Kumele siphinde futhi sidefend eMTN yethu. Into senga esoshintsha manje ngicabanga ukuthi nemanagement izosebenzela phezukwayo ile ukuthi simane sidlalile ukuba uposition number 2 of which leyo nto izomela ekule season ezayo sibone iPirates ezothatha ileague. I think this is my closure.
Thank you, Chairman.
Once at Pirates always.
Thank you,